Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see how to create goals and funnels in Google Analytics. For that, we need to click on admin, and in admin section, we need to click on goals. And here we need to click on new goals. So there are different type of goals and there are pre-made templates, or even you can create a custom goal. But we will see the pre-made templates. So there are different type of goals you can see: place an order, create an account, submit content. If there's an goal for inquiries like view more, find a location, upcoming events, see deals, add to favorite, share, social connect, newsletter, sign up, add to cart. So in my case, I'll select newsletter. Okay. So once the user is on the website, uh, there'll be a pop-up for sign up for newsletter. And if someone fills the form and if it is redirected to thank you page, then my goal is achieved. So once I select the goal, I need to click on, once I select the template, then I need to click on continue. So here we need to give the name of goal. So newsletter sign up is okay. If you want to change the name, so you can, okay. But I'll keep it newsletter sign up. And we need to select destination, okay. So the ID, let it be like that only. And we need to click on continue. And here we need to give the destiny URL. So in our case, it will be thank you page, okay, and it should be equal to thank you. There are different options here, begins with and regular expression. I'll tell you why we write begins with. Let's say in some cases, the URL, the destination URL after the payment or before the payment is something like this question mark, and there is some numeric value. So in that case, you can write begin with thank you, and then whatever the value it is, okay. And in some cases there are URL which contains category and different type of categories. So in that case you can select regular expression. So in my most of the cases I select regular expressions only, so I'll keep regular expression. And coming to value, you can give value for your goal. Let's say if I am selling online courses, and on one sale, if I can generate $1, so I can give the value as $1. That one goal achieved, $1 achieved. So in that case, you can uh, put the value of that goal. But in our case, it is just a newsletter sign up, so we don't require it. So I'm keeping it off. And funnels are the steps which we can give before the final destination. In our case, we don't require it as we have selected newsletter sign up. But for demo purpose, we will create it. So in the name, we will write cart. Okay, so if you are selling an online course, the user will the first step would be add to cart of that course. Okay, so the URL will be cart, and then there will be another step after adding the cart to the course. The user will view the cart. Okay, so view cart, and here the URL will be view cart, and the next step would be checkout page. So checkout, and the last step would be thank you page. Okay, so in this way you can create a funnel, and then you can verify. But for verification of the data, but for verification of this goal, you should have a data of over past 7 days. So in our case, we don't have the data for past 7 days. Then we need to click on save. And once we click on save, so it will end up on this page where you can find your goal, newsletter, goal ID is 5, goal set 1, destination goal type is destination, last past 7 days. We don't have the data for last 7 days. We have just created the goal right now. So here you can make it on or off. So if you want to keep your goal on, so you need to toggle this. If you don't want your goal, so you can just keep it off, but you can't delete the goal. Okay. So that is one thing you need to keep in your mind, that you can't delete the goal. You can keep it off, but you can't delete it. So this is it, how you can create a goal. I'll show you an real example where I've created a goal for my website. Okay, so let's go to another Google Analytics. So this is another Google Analytic account for my website, nstinfotech.com. So here, if I go on nstinfotech.com, here you can see after 5 seconds, you can see a pop-up. So when the user end up on this website, and after 5 seconds, he or she will have a pop-up like this. So if I add my name and email ID, okay, so I'll get a confirmation email. So once I click on that confirmation email, then it will redirect to a thank you page. Okay, so I have created a goal. So if I click on admin, so let's first see the goal creation. So goal, and this is the goal: newsletter sign up. Description is newsletter sign up. Okay, first I click on template, so newsletter sign up. Okay, then the destination was, the name of the goal was newsletter sign up, and destination is a thank you page. And the goal details are thank you page. I have not given any value because it is a newsletter, so we don't require, and I can't verify because I've created this goal like a couple of days back. So I'll require 7 days to verify it. This is how I have created the goal. To check the conversion, go to the home page, and here you can see you need to click on conversion and goals, and you need to click on overview. So you can see the goals. Okay. So goal completion, location, thank you page, and there were two goals which were completed. I mean, there were two users who have signed up. Goal URL, goal URL is thank you page. Funnel visualization, you can see the visualization. Okay. Entrance is like uh, one entered from home page and the other user entered from about. I mean, entered from about means the pop-up was shown on about page and he or she has subscribed to that. Goal flow, this is like one user directly typed my website and got a pop-up and submitted the form, and other got the website URL from Google, searched from organic. So in this way you can create a goal and you can check in conversion section, so you can see all the behavior of the user. And in this way you can create goals for any product. If you sell any product, so you can create a goal, something like this, and you can check it here. So I hope you get the concept of creating goals and funnels, and this is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.